How well can you speak Somali? How do you say money in Somali?
lacag,
How do you say love?
jacayl,
How do you say blood?
dhiig,
Like the video if you got the first 3 right. How do you say table?
miis,
How do you say mother?
hoyo,
Who speaks Somali better? You are the first person that pops up when you click share then more. How do you say market?
suuq,
How do you say door?
albaab,
Make sure you save this video to practice later. How do you say sleep?
hurdo,
How do you say laugh?
qosol,
Prove you can speak Somali by commenting your score. How do you say dream? If you know the answer, write it in the comments.